Hey friend, coming at you with a brand new video of how I style my blunt bob. So it's super easy. I love this hairstyle because it is super easy to do and it just looks to me very classic and elegant. So I shampooed, conditioned my hair. I gently brushed it out with a wet brush. Then I was putting in some Monette thermal protection, and now I'm putting in my Monette Moxie Mousse. So I love this stuff because it helps to volumize my hair, particularly my roots. So I kind of run that through my whole head, and then I'm flipping my head over and I'm blow drying it. And what I'm doing here is I'm really trying to rough up the root area. I want to get as much volume as I can in the root area because I do not have a lot of volume. I have very fine hair and it tends to fall flat. So I'm just kind of roughing those roots up, and then I'm taking my wet brush and I'm just kind of bringing my hair out to make sure to smooth it out, trying to lessen the frizz as much as possible, and really just flipping my head over so I can get as much volume in that root area as possible. So once I do that, I just kind of go through the rest of my hair, making sure that everything is dry. And again, taking my wet brush and just making sure that it's smoothed over. I am wearing a sports bra. Every time you see that red thing come up, it is a sports bra. It's not my actual bra. It's a crop top, and you're not going to see the rest of my belly because I don't want to show you it. But yeah, that's it. That's my kind of blow dry routine. Then I'm going to go in with my Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo, dry shampoo. So I love this stuff because it is super potent. I cannot use this every day, but I use it on the days that I wash my hair. I wash my hair every 3 to 4 days. So it just helps to kind of soak up the greasiness as my hair gets greasy. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my hair out. And then I'm going to go in with a flat iron. I'm spraying my hair with another heat protectant. I put in the thermal heat protectant from the hair dryer, but I'm going in with another heat protectant for my flat iron. And what I'm doing is I'm really focusing on the edges of my hair. I'm focusing on the ends, and I want to make sure that it's flat and it stays down. So my hair has a tendency to kind of flip out, kind of do, I guess, like a Reese Witherspoon 90s kind of look, which I think is coming back, but it's not for me yet. I'm not there yet. So I just kind of take it through and I smooth it out. I always grab a mirror to make sure that it's smoothed out in the ends because obviously I can't see the back. So I'm just running through and just making sure that everything is like straight as possible. And I kind of get it to where I want it to be, fix it if I need to, and just keep running it through. And I'm not going, like I have it sped up. I'm not going very quick, or I'm going pretty quick running it through, and that's pretty much it. So this will last me 3 days and I absolutely love it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video.